Hi bee fans, pollination security, that's making sure that there's enough bugs in the environment so that in the event that farmers can't actually buy in bumblebees or have migratory bees on site, they can then at least have the benefit of the bees that are living, or the insects that are living in the environment. That's pollination security. And to enhance pollination security, I'll make a gardener's beehive, because bees live in trees. This is one that they used to live in. You can see by the thickness of the hive, the volume, and so on, what makes my hive so successful. Please do consider putting gardener's beehives on your farm and securing your pollination security. Thank you. Please share with friends and family.